Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the vlog. Sana matagal ko na tong ginawa, no? And dito tayo sa bahay. I'm living alone. Yan. And ngayong araw, hindi ko alam ang gagawing content pero magbababad tayo ng puti. Gusto ko mapaputi lahat ng mga damit kong white. Kasi naalala ko pag sinusuot ko, then lalabahan, then mga susunod na hindi na puti yung puti. So bumili ako ng products sa Shopee. I think that's Oxybright, I think parang ganon. And tingnan natin kung effective. So pupunta tayo ngayon andito na pala tayo sa damitan ko. And hanap tayo ng mga talagang super dilaw ng damit. And ayun, sige, tingnan natin. So ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa damitan. Hanap tayo ng mga pwedeng ibabad gaya nito. Matatanggal pa kaya ito? Hindi ko alam. Ano to? Talsek ng dumi sa motor. Ayan, explore natin. Ang hirap, no? Hirap ng walang tagalabang nanay. Ayan. Ano pa? Tingnan natin itong mga white shirt. Ayan, yung may mga parang linya sa leeg. Tingnan natin. Hindi mo natin sinasadya yan pero nangyayari talaga. Lahat ng white ko by the way nandito. Hindi lahat ng pambahay ko. Jacket yan. Maglilinis tayo ngayon. Maglilinis din tayo. Unti-unti natin. You know, I just came back from... Actually, I'm still moving on. Isang tragedy na nangyari sa life ko. Pero yan. Ayusin natin to. Pero kahapon, inayos ko na to. Kagabi. Lahat ng mga pambahay nandito. Yan, karamihan or most of this, siguro half-half is from ukay-ukay. So, yan. And then, dito yung mga white ko and then yung mga parang formal attire like this. Tignan natin. Hanap tayo ng kaya natin paputiin. Gaya nito. Super dilaw na. By the way, nakuha ko siya sa ukay-ukay. Sana makuha pa. Sana mahabol pa. Sana effective yung binili nating tawag doon, powdered, parang powdered bleach siya, something. Ito, gaya nito, puting-puti ito dati. Hanap tayo. Tingnan natin, ano pa ba? Ito, what is this? Ito, gaya nito. Tingnan natin kung puputi pa siya. Halo yun nandito, pambahay or panlakad. Yan ang pinagsama-sama ko lang kasi lahat sila white. So, yan. Try muna natin sa ilang pirasong damit. And then, sige, pata tayo ng CR. Yan, kukunin ko yung... nilagay ko talaga sa yung nilagay. Pero ito yung powdered na ng bleach. Yan. Cut natin sa taas. Yan, pasensya na guys. Madumi talaga sa bahay. I'm just recovering from this tragedy. Kaya yan, medyo magulo pa. Kaya kadiri, di ba? Ayan. I hope this vlog will help me be more productive and move on from that tragedy that happened just recently. Ayan. Ang sabi, lagay ko muna siguro dito sa gilid. Lagyan muna natin ng tubig. Napaka-raw ng vlog. Walang edit yan. Sana may makarelate sa akin na lang. Ayan. And then, tansyahin natin sa 4 to 5 tablespoon. So, I think that's 1. Dami. 2 na yun. 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's it. Okay. And then, tanawin lang natin. And then, ang sabi, ibabad yung damit ng at least 4 hours. But, Gagawin natin 24 hours para mas maputi. Ayun natin to. Ganyan natin. Sana effective. And then yung isang madilaw din. Anahin natin yung mga yun. So, by the way, color safe naman siya, sabi. So, kahit yung mga decolor na damit, pwede. Actually, pang decolor siya. So, tignan natin kung pwede rin sa white talaga. Hindi ko alam. Any tips kung paano talaga mapapaputi ito? Lalo yung mga nanay dyan nanonood, please. Paano mapaputi ang damit? Tulungan nyo naman ang taong nabubuhay na lang mag-isa. Ayan. Ayan, okay. So, yan. Sana mawala to. Or kailangan bang kuskusin? Or what mamaya? Babad natin within 24 hours. Tignan natin, check natin after 4 hours. Dagdagan natin dyan ng tubig. Dagdagan natin ng tubig. Okay. Hey, what's up guys? Mag-work tayo. Parang napakaliwanag. Ayan, mag-ano ako ngayon, nag-work from home. Ayan, ito siya. Wait lang ha. Check na. Ano ba? Ayan. Ano ako, nag-take ako ng orders. And then yun, dami kong phone charis. So yun, samahan nyo ako. Wait lang, gumagano. Samahan nyo ako mag-work habang nanonood ako ng TV or nakikinig. Ayan. Time-lapse natin to. 1, 2. Time-lapse. Boto. Oh, mas bagay, ganyan.
But it feels as solid as the fashion. Using all the fine details from the metal frame with the brush texture, the hardware isn't going to be top tier, but the main camera is almost as good as a flagship. Well, it doesn't include the complete set of Galaxy AI suite, but it does Google Gemini, so you will be getting plenty of AI features after all.
Like the cover screen is more impressive, and it feels like they thought more purposefully about what you can actually do. But ultimately, Samsung just has better fundamentals. It is the significantly more powerful phone. Samsung software skin is more reliable, and you get way more updates. Plus, you get Samsung's very optimized image processing, which does also make this a better camera. Now, it's not just one part of this here, because the other iconic line of phones that's notably absent is the compact Asus Zenfone. It seems strange. Year after year, Asus release these super compact but high-end phones, and year after year, people label them as the gold standard for their diminutive size. But I think the crux of it is this: when most people are shopping for a smartphone, the primary limiting factor is budget. We want to get the most product for that budget, but we can't do that if you're also working with a size constraint. There's a reason that the iPhone minis failed. So what's left then? Well, I really like the Samsung Galaxy S24. It's a very light, very small all-rounder. You get Samsung AI, which, as we've seen, is the cameras, while solid, aren't great for this flagship tier. So then you've got the Google Pixel 9 Pro, which has good battery life and great cameras. Google's really neatened up their game in 2024, especially with their flagship phones. But I would go as far as to say that none of those beats the Xiaomi 14. And how far I can stretch with a suit this tight. This thing isn't quite as mini as the S24, but it's not far off, and it has top-notch cameras. It's just so fun to shoot with, because it doesn't for once feel like you're getting the sloppy camera seconds from the Ultra phone, like it definitely does with the Samsung. Also, the battery does last a really long time for such a small phone. So, it is. Xiaomi did well. It's disgusting. Now, there are two things that I would flag. Software-wise, you get 4 years of software updates here as opposed to 7 on Samsung. And not everyone loves Xiaomi's HyperOS
Wala
operating
talaga
system. It
nakakagat
does
labi.
feel a little bit like a knockoff iOS. But if that doesn't matter to you, then it is fast and it is customizable. The second thing, though, is the slightly awkward fact that Xiaomi has actually already released the Xiaomi 15, but they just have this extremely delayed process getting those new phones to the West. But what if you just want a phone that lasts forever?
Hey, what's up guys? Wala namang ganap. Handa ka ng isang mata. Wala namang masyadong ganap talaga. Wala namang interesting na ganap. Ano? Nag-teklop lang kami ng damit. Yan. Ngayon, naglalaba. Yan, habang gumagawa ng ano. Nanonood ng vlog habang gumagawa ng online work. Ano pa? Wala namang interesting na nangyari ngayong araw na ito. Next week, mag-try ako mag-gym. May nakausap na akong coach. Ayun, papalaki tayo ng muscles at papalit ng chat. Tingnan natin. Samahan nyo ako sa gym journey ko. And then, ano ba? Ayun, para maano na rin yung ano ko. Maraming maiba-iba yung routine ko. Maraming tumatakbo sa utak ko na yun nga, para all goods. Marami akong dapat gawin na hindi ko nagagawa. Yun, sana magawa ko ngayon. Ang hirap mabuhay mag-isa. Ang hirap lalo kapag nasanay ka ng may kasama ka. Mahirap. Patumbunga nga ako. Sumasabit, hindi pa ako nakapunta ng dentist. Isa pa to, meron na akong penalty dito. Yan, si Kasuin ko yan. Next month lang siguro. Ako na curious din ako sa ilong ko. Ano meron? So yun, wala namang interesting na nangyari. Mamaya tutulog. Gusto ko na mag-gym, hindi lang para magpalaki ng katawan, para may iba rin akong gawin. I know it will help me when it comes to my mental health. Malalaman nyo kung bakit at bakit din ako nagsimula ng vlog. Malalaman nyo kung bakit in the next few vlogs. Sana maging consistent tayo. I know this will help me kahit wala mang nanonood. This will help me mentally. Yeah. And yun, ano pa ba? I have lots of things to share sa inyo guys. Wala. Susubok din ng editing skills natin. Actually, hindi ko talaga masyadong trip tong ganito, yung vertical. Pero we try to reach more audience. And then, ano pa ba? Ayun. Mating interesting naman sa life ko. Makalam yun. Yun, basta next week sana makapag-gym na may nakausap na akong coach na tutulong sa akin. Sana kayanin ko. And then sa katapusan siguro magte-training na rin ako na basta meron akong mga trainings na gagawin for myself and for my career. Yan, bagong career tayo. Hindi na sa bagong career, bagong environment kasi alam ko makakatulong yun sa akin. So, yun. Ayun lang. That's it for today. The rest of the day, itong hawak ko. Ito, mouse, remote, panood. Yun lang. Yun muna. Bigla ko rin naalala. May salamin pala ako. Bagay pa sa akin may salamin. Kasi talagang naiilang ako sa mata ko sobra. Pero, parang kung may kasabay ka sir, mas maganda parang mas mapili ko. Ayan. sabi ni coach, sabi ko may kasabay daw ako, mas maganda para mas ma-motivate. Coach, wala na, iniwan na ako. Yan, mas okay ba? May salamin. Mas bagay ba? Yan, anyways, yan. Siguro mas bagay nga. Mas bagay nga. Basta mukha tayong bata. Wait lang. Wait. Ayan. Ayan. Basta mukha tayong bata. So guys, ayun na. Sabi ni coach, kung meron daw akong kasabay, mas okay. Yan. Shout out sa Skechers. Kung may salamin. Sketcher. Ayan lang. Ayun lang. Ayun. Thank you. Bye.